Maymay and Trata update. Yan, sweet moment nila Maymay at Joaquin Enriquez. Ay, mahal na mahal talaga nilang isa't isa. Yun. Nakikita naman gaano kasayang no? May padlock pa sila eh. Holding hands while walking, may pa-heart. Yan, no? Nakakasabay talaga si Joaquin sa energy ni Maymay eh. Ayun, bagay na kakulitan nila eh. Yan, no? And enjoy yung moment na Maymay at Joaquin yan, no? Sweet. Ito yung post ni Maymay. Sabi niya, Thanksgiving na po today. I would like to thank God for meeting this man who never gets scared and tired of cursing me, and for giving someone whose intentions are so clear, steady, and genuine, even when I am not fully healed. Thank you, lover, for loving me with patience, choices me with certainty, and shows up every single day. Truly one of the greatest gifts God is never placed in my life. You know. Wow. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for my update. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.